How to clean your gutters safely and quickly without becoming a rooftop acrobat. Hello, homeowners. It's Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, bringing you another home maintenance tip that might save you time, money, and one very embarrassing call to the fire department. Cleaning gutters is not the most glamorous part of home ownership. Nobody posts a picture online saying, "Look at this gorgeous handful of soggy leaves." But clean gutters help protect your roof, siding, landscaping, and foundation from water damage, especially here in Florida, where the rain can go from a drizzle to a backyard swimming pool in about 12 minutes. So why do gutters need to be cleaned? Your gutters are designed to collect rainwater from the roof and direct it safely away from your home. When they become clogged with leaves, pine needles, twigs, roof granules, or the occasional mystery object, the water has nowhere to go. Clogged gutters can lead to water overflowing near the foundation, roof and fascia damage, mold and mildew, damaged landscaping, mosquito-friendly standing water, or gutters pulling away from the house. If your gutters are growing their own little garden, it's definitely time to clean them. So, gather your gutter cleaning supplies. Before you climb anything, gather everything you need. A sturdy ladder, work gloves, safety glasses, a small plastic gutter scoop, a bucket or heavy-duty trash bag, a garden hose with a spray nozzle, rubber-soled slip-resistant shoes, a ladder stabilizer if available. A plastic scoop is usually better than a metal tool because it's less likely to scratch or damage the gutter. Step 1. Choose the right day. Clean your gutters on a dry, calm day. Wet leaves are heavier, messier, and slipperier. Windy weather can also make ladder work dangerous. Wait until the debris has time to dry. Dry leaves scoop out quickly. Wet gutter sludge fights back like it pays the mortgage. Step 2. Set up the ladder safely. Place the ladder on firm, level ground. Never balance it on landscaping rocks, boxes, patio furniture, or anything else that looks like it might work just this once. Use a ladder stabilizer when possible, and ask someone to stay nearby while you work. Do not rest the ladder directly against the gutter because it can bend or damage it. And most importantly, never stand on the top step or lean too far to either side. Climb down and reposition the ladder instead. Yes, moving the ladder repeatedly is annoying, but it's still faster than spending the afternoon at urgent care. If your home has 2 stories, a steep roof, unusually high gutters, or difficult access, hire a professional. There's no shame in protecting your bones. Step 3. Scoop out the debris. Start near a downspout and remove the large debris by hand or with your gutter scoop. Place it directly into a bucket or trash bag instead of tossing it onto the lawn. Work in small sections, moving the ladder as necessary. Avoid pushing leaves into the downspout because that might create a stubborn clog further down. Step 4. Flush the gutters. Once the loose debris is removed, use your garden hose to flush the gutter toward the downspout. This removes smaller particles and helps you determine whether the water is flowing properly. Watch for water leaking from gutter seams or pooling in certain areas. Standing water may indicate that the gutter is sagging or is not sloped correctly. Step 5. Clear a clogged downspout. If the water does not drain, spray the hose into the top of the downspout. You can also try spraying upward from the bottom to loosen the clog. For a stubborn blockage, use a plumber snake designed for drain cleaning. Avoid forcing sharp tools into the downspout because they could puncture or separate it. The quickest option, clean from the ground. For single-story homes, gutter cleaning attachments are available for garden hoses, wet-dry vacuums, and leaf blowers. These tools allow you to remove some debris while keeping your feet safely on the ground. The best for routine maintenance and loose debris. Thick, compacted sludge may still require hand cleaning or professional help. How often should gutters be cleaned? Most gutters should be inspected and cleaned at least twice a year, typically in the spring and fall. Florida homeowners may need to check them more often because of the tropical storms, heavy rain, pine needles, palm debris, and year-round plant growth. It's also smart to inspect gutters after a major storm. Your roof may have survived the wind, but your gutters could now be hosting half the neighborhood's leaves. Should you install gutter guards? Gutter guards can reduce the amount of debris that enters the gutter, but they do not make gutters completely maintenance-free. Small particles, roof granules, and seeds can still collect over time. Think of gutter guards as helpful bouncers, not an invisible force field. So, fun gutter fact. The ancient Romans used drainage systems to direct rainwater away from the buildings, but modern rain gutters became much more common after advances in manufacturing made them easier and less expensive to produce. In other words, people have been trying to control rainwater for centuries, and Florida Rain is still saying, that's adorable. Looking for a home worth falling for, not falling off? If cleaning gutters has you dreaming about a new home with fewer trees, easier maintenance, or perhaps a community where exterior upkeep is included, I would love to help. As your favorite Space Coast Realtor, I can help you find a home that fits your lifestyle, budget, and maintenance comfort level. Whether you want a low-maintenance condo, a newer home, or a property with a large yard, enough for your dreams, and possibly a few dachshunds, I'm ready to get that search started. Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor with eXp Realty. You can call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can search for homes on my website at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com, and you can watch my YouTube for home tours, helpful hints, and more at Dream Homes, Space Coast, Florida. Let's find you a home you love from the foundation to the roof line, clean gutters included. Margarett Klein signing off. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you have an amazing day.